Stephanie Jackson here from dailyappetite.com, and today we are making Boozy Cherry Limeades. So, quick story. We went to Gatlinburg, Tennessee for Thanksgiving weekend. We had a gorgeous, beautiful cabin. We shared it with family. It was one of those huge monster cabins. It was like my cousins, my brother, my sister, my mom, my aunt, and it was such a good time. And one of the things we did while we were in Gatlinburg was went to the Moonshine Distillery, which is called Old Smoky. So, best $5 I've ever spent in Gatlinburg is at the Old Smoky. So what you do is you go into Old Smoky and you pay $5 to do a tasting. And I want to say we tasted like 12 moonshine / whiskeys, and it's not like a wine tasting. Like, imagine like a very touristy area. So they're like trying to like turn and burn you, and like there's no water to cleanse your palate. It is just like whiskey shot after whiskey shot after whiskey shot after whiskey shot. There's no time to like cheers, oh, do selfies. Nothing. Like, I was lucky on my Instagram to get like one picture of like a whiskey, because I mean the guy was just flying through them. So you pay $5, you do like 12 whiskey shots. They're half shots, they're not full shots, so you can walk out of there. But in return you get a $5 coupon off of your purchase of anything in the store. So we got and they're almost gone. So this was Thanksgiving, and it is like now January 25th. So, like they're almost gone. Like, they're so good. So we got the Moonshine Cherries, and then we got one more thing, which I believe is almost gone too. We got the caramel apple whiskey. So here's the thing. We were tourists. We were like, oh my god, we're at this distillery, like let's like buy like what we like. And so we buy everything. We had the $5 coupon, so we bought the cherries and that whiskey, and we get home, and now that we know like this brand and this label, we're at the liquor store and we see it and we're like, oh, we could have just bought it here. It was cheaper. Thanks, Old Smoky. But I mean, it wasn't like a lot cheaper. It was like a couple bucks cheaper. And so that was one liquor store here in Illinois. And so we go to another liquor store the other day, and I'm like, oh look, Old Smoky's here. But it was kind of like the same price as the touristy prices. But so basically the moral of the story is, you don't have to go to Gatlinburg. You could probably look around in your liquor store and find these. These are so good. Okay, like Moonshine Cherries, okay, like I have been drinking Diet Coke and the cherries, and I put like probably about 4 or 5 cherries in and then get the cherry juice. So you can see like the cherry juice is almost gone. So today what I am making is a Boozy Cherry Limeade with Old Smoky cherries with Diet 7-Up. If you are one of my drinking buddies, you know I like diet because of calories. We don't want to drink all of our calories in cocktails because we want to have more than one. So let's get to it. So basically, oh my gosh, I need some muscle though. Turn that lid off. So I am going to grab about, be crazy. Let's do about 5 to 6 cherries. And you gotta have a glass full of ice, obviously. We're not gonna shake anything today. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so good, right? But let's get some of that juice too, because that like juice is moonshine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a little more. Okay. Like the best part is at the end of this drink and eating the cherries, fishing the cherries out with a spoon and eating them. Okay, so basically we're just gonna take some Diet 7-Up. If you're not into diet, then just go ahead and get regular 7-Up. Sprite, you know, is basically the same thing. So we just have Diet 7-Up. So you just pour that in. Oh, yummy. Oh my God, I'm totally forgetting like one of the things that makes this drink. Time out. See, this is what happens when you drink before you go on camera. Okay, hey guys, so, okay, so take a half a lime. I'm trying to be serious now, because I'm telling you how to make this boozy alcoholic drink. Okay, so take half a lime and just squeeze that juice over top. Oh my gosh. It just changes the whole dynamic of just 7-Up and cherries. Come on, guys. Would I really come on here for just 7-Up and cherries? Well, these cherries are really good. So yeah, but let's just squeeze the juice over top. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then, cheers. Cherry Limeade. Boozy. Eat the cherries at the end. Like, sorry Sonic, I got you beat. This is it. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm at Daily Appetite. Take a picture of your drink. Love to drink with you. As always, be sure to subscribe. Be my drinking buddy. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube. And if you're watching this on my website, great. Awesome. Love you already. And if you are watching on YouTube, then I will have the link in the profile. So you can print it, love it, pin it, whatever you do, Facebook it, and we'll catch you next time.